If you own a CanAm Canyon 3-wheel vehicle, you probably already know that we worked overtime to pack this new release with awesome features. With its advanced vehicle stability system and 4 distinct drive modes, this is our most rugged and adventurous 3-wheel vehicle yet. But there is one other key feature that sets the ride apart from the rest of the lineup. And we're here today to tell you all about it. To cut right to the chase, we're talking about the rear storage area. Positioned just behind the seating area on the CanAm Canyon 3-wheel vehicle, this meticulous design feature was built to turn your ride into an absolute cargo powerhouse. Within this space, you will find several strategically placed LinQ attachment points that allow you to quickly and easily install a wide array of accessories without a single tool. And if you're going on a solo adventure, you can remove the passenger seat to reveal extra LinQ anchors that allows you to bring even more essentials along for the ride. To perfect your setup, you can choose from a wide selection of LinQ products that have been on the market for a while. But we also launched several new options alongside this new vehicle. The new collection includes cargo solutions like the Aluminium side case and top case, both created so you can pack and secure a ton of gear with confidence thanks to their durable design and lock and key system. Or, depending on your needs, you might want to reach for a long-time favorite like modular boxes, a sport bag, or one of our LinQ coolers. Customization is the name of the game here, and this adaptable design allows you to perfect your setup to make the most of every ride and seamlessly transition from one activity to the next. You can even add the LinQ fuel caddy to bring more gas with you so you can travel even further without the need for a pit stop. All of that said, if the rear storage area still doesn't feel like enough for you, you might want to add the LinQ 36 inches adventure plate to your setup. With this rugged and durable steel add-on, you can transform the back of your ride into a massive level storage platform that can support up to 75 pounds of cargo. Because this accessory secures to your vehicle with LinQ anchors, installation is finished in a matter of seconds. It also includes our 36-inch LinQ attachment points to make your setup compatible with even more products. But LinQ technology aside, we wanted the adventure plate to help with all kinds of cargo. This add-on makes it easy to secure large items like tents or fishing gear with tie-down ratchet straps. Bottom line, this accessory is an easy choice for anyone who wants to take the already high cargo capacity of the CanAm Canyon 3-wheel vehicle and turn things up a notch. Stay prepared and have a blast out there, and we'll catch you in the next one.